Hi guys, welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're going to make a rosette waffle. I'm gonna make a traditional Mexican style with cinnamon, but once we've done that, I'm gonna add a little twist. Because I'll be serving it as a dessert amuse, so I'm gonna add a white chocolate cream and a mandarin gel. So, let's begin. Start by pouring 500 grams of milk in a pan. Then cut a vanilla pod in half and scrape out the seeds. Add this to the milk and then heat it up till it's lukewarm. Meanwhile, mix 270 grams of flour with 4 grams of salt and then also slowly add the vanilla milk. Once it's a smooth mixture, also add 2 eggs. Mix this once more and then let it rest for 1 hour. While that's resting, pour 100 grams of sugar in a pan and caramelize this. Then cut 4 mandarins in half. Once it's a nice caramel, add 4 sticks of cinnamon and then put the mandarins flat side down in the pan and caramelize them until they're golden brown. After that, add 500 grams of the mandarin juice and let this boil for 10 minutes. Then drain the liquid and use a ladle to press out any juice. Pour 500 grams of this liquid in a pan and mix this with 5 grams of agar. Bring it to a boil. Now pour it on the tray and let it cool down completely. After that, transfer it into a blender and blend it till smooth. Then put it in a piping bag. And now the chocolate cream. For this, pour 250 grams of milk in a pan with 65 grams of sugar and then bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, mix 100 grams of egg yolk with 20 grams of cornstarch. Then while stirring, slowly add the boiling hot mixture. Now pour it back into the pan and then cook it till the desired thickness. After that, mix it with 100 grams of white chocolate. Then transfer it into a bowl, cover it with plastic foil and let it cool down in your fridge. After that, mix it once more and then transfer it into a piping bag. Now pour half a liter of neutral oil in a pan and heat this up till it's 180 degrees Celsius. Also let your stand heat up for at least 5 minutes. I'll put a link in the description where I bought mine. Then put the hot stamp in the batter, but make sure it doesn't go under. Now put the stamp back into the hot oil until the waffle lets go. Then fry till golden brown and repeat this process with the rest of the batter. Now mix 100 grams of sugar with some cinnamon powder and dip one side of the waffle in the sugar. And now I serve it with the white chocolate cream, the mandarin gel and some edible flower leaves. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So like it and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!